G'day collectors, welcome back to the Empire of Dorks. I'm the Chief Dork, Greg. I'm the Research and Development Manager here at Authentic Collectables, and we're doing another unboxing. This time it's pretty 2025 heavy, but with a little bit of sauce on the side. Let's jump in and bust them open and have a look, shall we? If you've never seen one of these videos before, g'day, welcome. You're most welcome to stay and have a look around. This is where we get a container coming down from the factory. We get them to send us a bunch of cars via air freight, so we see them before time. This gives us a chance to do our advertising, licensing and all the other guff. And this is the first time we get them open and we bring you along for the ride. So we're going to bust them open and have a bit of a look. Right, well, there you go. For a second there, I thought we were going to run out of room on the table. There's a bit of something for everybody here. Let's start down that end, shall we? Right, so here we have the 2025 season cars from Walkingshaw United. These are actually kind of special in the fact that we've done these as a Taupo round because there's a lot of reasons to. First of all, this is actually Woody's first podium on race 8, so we've done his race 8 car. And Chaz actually won race 9, so that's his race 9 car. Ultimately, they still are effectively our season cars, but with a little bit of an extra flavour. Those who are Kiwis will probably love that sort of stuff, especially considering Woody is a Kiwi. Definitely a cool set of cars. If you're into Walkingshaw stuff, these are definitely 2 cars to have. There's a bit more coming through the pipeline on a later basis, but definitely get these ones right now. Let's go and have a look at some more Mustangs. Now, I got to say, I love the look of these cars. These are the 2025 Penrite Grove Racing Mustangs, as driven by Matt Payne and Kai Allen. These are the season cars as well, same as the Walkinshaw cars. But at the same time, both of these cars have a little bit of a reason to exist, I guess. Obviously, Matt Payne is now a Bathurst winner, so this is the season car before it turned into the Penrite 100 Years car. And Kai Allen basically ended up at the grand final for everything. And as of pretty much when we're recording this, they both wiped the floor in Christchurch, so definitely a cool set of cars to have, even though they're the 25 cars. This is kind of the start of the dream team, for want of a better word. I love the way they look. That kind of very subtle grey striping through there kind of gives them a bit more of a futuristic look than just your standard black. Definitely cool cars to have. If you're fans of either Kai Allen, Matt Payne, Penrite, or Grove Racing, definitely cars to get. Righto, let's go and have a look at some Chevs. Okay, here we have the 2025 cars from Team 18. We've got the DeWalt car as driven by Anton Di Pasquale, and the tradie car is driven by David Reynolds. This is in its first iteration. If you recall, I basically went through like 3 or 4 different colours. This is the first one. We will be doing other ones in the future, but these are our season cars. So this is how they ran at the Sydney 500, basically the first round of the year. Definitely 2 cool cars to have. Now these guys are also the homologation team. You'll be seeing a bit more of these guys. Matter of fact, this guy cracked a win on his first race as the homologation team. So yeah, I think we'll be seeing a bit more of ADP kicking around. And always, David Reynolds, probably one of my favourite drivers. He's just a bit of a character, so we love him. If you're a fan of either of those things, fan of Team 18, or don't mind an energy drink, get into these. They're bloody brilliant. Now here's a saucy little number. 2025 marked the 100 years of Ford in Australia, and we decided to celebrate that with not only this car, but a number of other ones. This just happens to be the first cab off the rank. It is obviously a Gen 3 Mustang supercar, done in the 100 years of Australia Ford livery, as designed by our art director, Tristan Groves. He's also done the other ones. They all look mad. This is just the first one. I think it looks brilliant. If you think it looks brilliant too, you can buy it, you can have it. We're doing a few of these. I can't quite mention what the other cars are, but I can guarantee you they're all Fords. Keep an eye out for those, but obviously if you're interested in this, go and grab it. Righto, that'll do for now. We've got some other scales coming through as well. This is a bit of a big container we've got coming. Keep an eye out for all the other stuff. Like, subscribe, ring the bell for all the notifications and all the other guff we say here on YouTube. As always, keep collecting and we'll see you on the next one. Take it easy.